Tina. Today I will show you guys our method how to pair flex cable use our founding machine. And now we use this tool to clean the display.
We will show you two different ways to replace flex cable, and we provide professional technical training.
And we have two methods to repair flex cable use our founding machine.
One is to operate with the flex cable open, and the other with it closed. Okay, and this operation is like disassemble the flex cable. We usually finish the machine training in 1 to 3 days, and we provide training support and after-sales service.
So if you want to replace the flex cable and repair the color display, and choose on this 0.80, this one will be best one.